salamat dahil may buhay. Ligaya ko na ako'y silang pagkatao ay mayroong tangal. Sino may pag-ibig, sinong nagmamahal, kundi ang tao, Diyos ang pinagmulan. Kundi ako umibig, kundi ko man bigyang halaga ang buhay na handog, ang buhay kong hiram sa Diyos. Kundi ako nagmamahal, sino ako? Sinong may pag-ibig, sinong nagmamahal, kundi ang tao, Diyos ang pinagmulan. Kundi ako umibig, kundi ko man bigyang halaga ang buhay na handog, ang buhay kong hiram sa Diyos. Kundi ako nagmamahal, sino ako? Kundi ako umibig, kundi ko man bigyang halaga ang buhay na handog, ang buhay kong hiram sa Diyos. Kundi ako nagmamahal, sino ako? Kundi ako nagmamahal, sino ako?
Hello, my name is Chester Allen Marcos Rivera. I am the oldest son of Daisy and Sabas Rivera. I am also one of Benjamin Marcos's grandchildren. Would like to thank everyone for being present to help celebrate my Yu Young's life. Remember Yu Young as being a kind, gentle, patient, and loving person. He was well liked and well respected by every person that he knew. I don't think there's anyone alive who hated him as a person or disliked him as a person, which speaks a lot of his character. Yu Yong was a very hardworking man. He provided for his family even though he came from very humble beginnings. Um, I know that his teachings, all his values, everything he has taught us will live on through myself, the rest of his grandchildren, his great grandchildren, and the future generation. Um, we are very sad that he is gone, but we know that he is in a better place and that he is finally reunited with our Yu Yang. Again, I would like to thank everyone for coming, and I just would like to say we love you, Yu Young, and we'll always remember you. Thank you.
Hello, Mamangita and everyone back home. Thank you for everything that you're doing. The last time I saw Yu Young was when we came over here to the States, and I was about 5 or 6 years old. It would have been great if I would have seen him and met him again as an adult. I think we would have had a lot to talk about, but now I'm just grateful for the time that I did get to spend with him when I was living in the Philippines. When I think about Yu Young's legacy, it's incredible to think that he has so many grandchildren and family all around the world now, and you know, they range from architects to nurses and everything in between. I'm very proud of that, and I'm very proud.
Hi, I'm Dylan, and I don't have much to say. I don't have many memories of Yu Young because I never met him. But I've heard many stories from my mom that Yu Young was a great dad, and he did a great job with his kids. And the lessons that he gave my mom have been passed down to me, and they've been very valuable. I promise that I will make Yu Young proud with all my accomplishments and everything I do later in life, and he will be very much missed.
Yu Young's kindness and humble heart has admired by many. I look up to Yu Young. He is such an inspiration. It hurts me that he is not with us anymore. I love you, Yu Young. Me, Evelyn, and your family will surely miss you. And you will be in everyone's heart, Yu Young. I love you very much, and may you rest in peace.
I would like to thank my Yu Young for the many good years he has generously shared with us. As a grandfather, he was the best one a grandchild could ever ask for. I admired his compassionate nature and his spirit in pursuing a selfless life in which he attributed gentleness, faithfulness, and strength. He shared with us great wisdom, and most of all, he inspired in us the love of family. He was a devoted and caring husband to my Yu Young, and together daily life to the fullest. I've always been proud and will look up to the couple they have been and how they exemplified a great relationship to each and every one of us. His memory will bring joy to our hearts, and his legacy will continue to live in us. I am very fortunate to have known such a wonderful man, and even more lucky to have loved, respected, and admired him as my grandfather. We love you, and we will forever miss you.
Hi, this is my memory of Benjamin Marcos. I call Benjamin Yu Yong. Yu Yong was my known living great-grandfather when I was a few years younger. The first time I met him is when I was a baby. The last time I met him was at Isabela in 2011. When my family moved to Canada, I feel so sad to know that Yu Yong had passed away. By memories, I will always remember Yu Yong and his times with me. I hope he is in a better place now with Yu Yong. I will always remember you, Yu Yong Benjamin Marcos. Please watch over me, my little brother, and my younger cousins. I love you and goodbye.
Paalam, mahal naming Yuyong. Mahal na mahal ka namin Yuyong. At patawad kung hindi kami nakarating upang makita ka sa huling pagkakataon. Patawarin mo kami. Mahal na mahal ka namin Yuyong. Salamat sa mga pamana mong hindi namin makakalimutan. Ang kabaitan mo, ang pagmamahal mo sa amin Yuyong. Ikaw ang inspirasyon namin. Wala kami dito sa mundo. Wala ka. Sa pamana mo habang buhay namin na hindi namin makakalimutan. Mahal na mahal ka namin. At sa mga kapatid, kamag-anak, kabarangay na naging parte ng buhay ni Yuyong nung siya pa ay nabubuhay. Nagpasaya sa kanya, umalalay sa kanya. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At hanggang sa kanyang pagpanaw, nandyan kayo. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Wala man kami dyan. Ang puso namin ay taos pusong nagpapasalamat sa inyo. Sa inyong lahat na nandyan ngayon upang damayan kami sa pagpanaw ng aming mahal na Yuyong. Yuyong, mahal na mahal ka namin. Hindi ka namin makakalimutan habang kami nabubuhay. I love you, Yuyong.
Diyos ti kumuyog ken ka papangko. Nasakit ko na itinakem ko nga jak makaumay tapos makita. Marakop ken magkan ka iti maudi nga panawen mo dito'y rabaw ti daga. Kaya't kung nga idanon ken ka, nga numan pa'y adayo unay tinagbaitan tayo, ket adda kay nga kaagnanayon iti puso ken panunod ko. Iti unos ti adu nga tawen adi tayo pa nagkikita. Awan ti aldaw nga di kalinagip. Naglalo iti pimusayan day di mamang. Ket nabati ka ngagmay-may sa di tanan mo nga pagtaingam. Imanaylaingin nga liwliwak iti maitad ko ti kasapulam tapno agbyag ka nga nasalunat. No makasao ka iti telepono ket mangyeg ko iti naragsak nga boses mo. No makita ka iti computer no ag-Skype tayo. Ket makita ka nasaranta ken naisem ka pay laeng uri adun ti lima kayam. Papang, tiyak amo no namin mano nga imbagak ken ka ti ayayaten ka. Wenno agyaman akken ka. Siguro adado kumapay nga tiyempo. Tapno yung naipariknakken ka ti pamateg ti maysa nga anak. No kumalaing may sublik tinaglabas nga panawen. Agyaman akken ni Apo Diyos. Tayo ni kanak iti ama nga pagwadan. Amok nga nagkurkurang tayo iti material nga sanikwa. Yung pinadakkel na kami nga napnuan iti pamateg. Ken panang tameng iti nasaya at unay nga ama. Dagiti nasaya at nga galad mo papang, ket di martapan iti anyaman na kinabaknang. Numan pa edo nga rigat tinaglabasam. Awan pulos na ngeg ko nga madi nga sarita. Wenno pa nag-asog mo. Hinkalikagong mo na saya at tapno maited ti kasapulan mi nga limang anak mo. Hintultuloy mo iti nagsingsing pet ken nasitek iti ken ni Apo Diyos. Awanan tinasaysaya at nga maipatawid mo iti kapututang papang. Nga may tinasaya at nga kababalin. Taisudan to ti agnanayon nga palagip. Nga iti urat mi kitagtartaray ti dara ni Benjamin Marcos. Managayat, mabilidad, managtulong, naasi, nathanang agsarsarita kan nagaget. Ngam kang runaan na unay, ang muna itagraem ken ni Apo Diyos naman nakabalin. Ingka na ginana iti sibay tayayatan mi nga ina papang. Ururayan na kan ni mamang nga siraragsak. Saan kan ngagmay-may sa? Ang mungagnad ka ito sa dilangit. Lugar nga naragsak ken naulimek. Awanan ti nasakit. Awanan ti rigat. Awanan ti anyaman baka kumikumam. Naragsak ni Apo Diyos nga mang pasangbay kada kayo. Ipatpategdag ang papangko. Ingungutan mi nagitilagip mi kan ka. Aging gay tintay tumanan pa nagkikita.